Deori Temple is located on the right side of Tata Ranchi Highway NH33, 60 kilometers from the capital city Ranchi and 3 kilometers from Tamar. So we are today going to visit Deori Temple. Hello friends, welcome to Stroller's Diary. So here we reach the temple. It is the only temple in Jharkhand where pujas are done by Pahans, that is the tribal priests, alongside with the Brahmins. The original temple is in the stone dating back to about 10th to 11th century AD. The main attraction is that the 700-year-old idol of goddess Durga has 16 hands. The temple is very old and is under renovation. There is ample space for parking, and around the temples you will see many people sitting with drums and they play the drums or nagaras. Legend has it that whoever has tried to alter the structure of the temple has had to face the wrath of gods to suffer consequences. This old temple in Ranchi also houses an idol of Lord Shiva. At the temple, devotees tie yellow and red sacred threads on bamboo for the fulfillment of their wishes. Upon the fulfillment of their wishes, they again come to the temple and untie the thread. The original temple is made up of a big stone placed one over the other without using any cementing material in between. Like many ancient constructions, inside the Sanctum Sanctorum or the Garbhagriha, an ancient idol of goddess Durga with 16 hands is consecrated along with Lord Shiva. In the Mundari language, the word Deori means stone. The idol and the temple both are made up of stones. Legend has it that whoever has tried to alter the structure of the temple has to face the wrath of gods and suffer consequences. Therefore, new construction is being done from outside, keeping the original temple intact. There are many legends related to this temple. According to some local beliefs, the Sola Bhuji Devi Prachin Durga temple is in the existence since Mahabharata times. The Pandavas are believed to have prayed here during their period of Agyatvas. It is also believed by many here that Emperor Ashoka and his army worshipped and invoked Ma Durga's blessings for victory at Kalinga at this temple while marching en route Kalinga region. According to folklore, a king of Tamar, believed to be in the 18th century, once saw a dream. The goddess told him that there was a temple in Deori where she must be worshipped. Villagers, as directed by the king, cleared a forested patch to find a small temple with a stone statue of Durga. Ever since, the deity is worshipped here. There is a place outside where you can break the coconuts, and people tie the red chunri also on the trees, and beautiful bells will be hung. There is ample space for parking. Generally, a lot of people visit this temple, but due to pandemic, very few people can be seen now. Being famous for its deity having 16 hands, this temple also came into limelight as MS Dhoni was a regular visitor to this temple. Aarti timings are from 11:45 to 12:30. The darshan is restricted during the Aarti time. So after having a darshan of this Deori temple, we started our journey back home. And on the way, we stopped at a hotel which is again very popular because of MS Dhoni. The locals believe, or the locals say, that MS Dhoni, whenever he comes to visit this temple, always stops at this hotel to have his food. So on the way back, we thought of visiting this hotel, Ma Hotel. The food here was indeed very tasty, and after the tiring day of our journey to Deori temple, this was the most required thing. Hope you enjoyed this journey of Deori temple as much as I did. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. I'll be back with some other episode. Till then, thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.